Good afternoon, one and all. Am I audible? Mulani, Bhosle Vaishnavi, Sheetal
Yes, ma'am.
Tatis. Okay. Okay, first I will introduce myself and we'll start the ATT about the traffic engineering and control. I am Sonali Pandurang Patil, completed my BE from PUPIT Budgaon. After that, I have completed my MTech from the same institute, Sweris College of Engineering, Pandharpur. And after that, now I am pursuing my PhD from Veer Mata Jizabai Technological Institute, Matunga, Mumbai. In this lecture, I will deliver about what is meant by the traffic, what are the traffic characteristics while using the road for the road users. Again, related to the static characteristics of the roads, dynamic characteristics of the vehicles on the road. So that part will complete in this, and that traffic engineering and control is very important subject as far as the your competitive examination. And from the competitive examination, there will be a 10 marks for the MPSC main examination, 10 marks for your traffic engineering and control. Okay, there is a main subject that is the transportation engineering, but that transportation engineering is divided into the two parts. One is related to the highway engineering and second part is related to the traffic engineering. And from that, whatever the traffic engineering and control, that syllabus will finish in this ATT only. Okay, and whatever related the MCQs and whatever the syllabus required for this competitive examinations will complete in this lecture for this today and the tomorrow. Okay, so first we'll see what is meant by the traffic, what is meant by the traffic engineering, and why to study the traffic engineering. Okay, so first you can see here what is the traffic engineering. So why to go for the traffic management, why we are going to provide the different signals, signs on the roads. Okay, for what purposes this all the management will do for this achieving the safe and the convenient movement on the road from one point to the another point. So we'll see what is the traffic engineering. The traffic engineering is a branch of civil engineering that uses engineering techniques to achieve the safe and efficient movement of peoples and goods on the roadways. Okay, so traffic engineering is one of the part of the roads only, one of the part of the highways only, and that traffic is deals with the movement of peoples, movement of the goods from the one place to the another place. Okay, the starting point of the journey, where we start our journey, that point is our origin, and where we end, where is our last station, that is our destination. Means the traffic engineering is deals with the starting to the end, means from the it is a journey between the origin towards the destination where we want to go. So that is nothing but a traffic engineering, and it is one of the most branch of civil engineering, and which is here because to achieve the safe and the efficient movement of the peoples as well as the goods on the roadways. So that is the traffic engineering. We'll see what is the traffic engineering, what is the introduction about this traffic engineering. So it is the phase of transportation engineering that deals with the planning, geometric design, and the traffic operations of roads, street, and the highways. Their networks, terminals, abutting the lands, and the relationship with other modes of transportation. So you can see here there are the different types of the transport, the different modes of the transportation. You know about it. That is, there is a air transportation. Again, there is a tunnel through transportation, water through transportation, and the land through transportation. Means there are the different types of the transportation ways. But from these all types of the modes, we have to be consider here only about the traffic engineering, which is on the land, which is on the land only. So in the traffic engineering, whatever the roads are there, whatever the constructions of road, and for that purpose, that whatever the geometric design is there, planning, again whatever the roads operation, streets, load coming on the road, load coming on the road structure. So these all the parameters are considered in the transportation engineering while the planning and the designing of the any type of the road. So that transportation engineering is a main branch, and after that, that transportation engineering is also deals with that traffic engineering. That is a sub part of this transportation engineering only. But it is with this all the planning, whatever the planning is required, means traffic is more. Then there we have to go for the redesign of the roads. We have to increase the width of the roads. So based on the traffic situation, based on the traffic congestion, based on the vehicles, which type of vehicles are going on the roads. So that all details we should know while planning, while designing, and while doing the traffic operations on the roads. Okay, there is a one word that is the traffic operation on roads. Means there are the traffic operation means where to go. There is a merging. Sometimes there is a addition of roads. Again, there will be a sometimes open roads are there. Okay, so at that time, what type of the operations we have to make, that should know the each and every driver which is on the road. Okay, so there are the networks. You should know the road is one of the network which having the connections जर असेल तरच आपण काय करू शकतो, we can move from the one place to the another. So that is one relationship with the others modes of the same for the same network will be over there for the tunneling, for the again there is for the air transportation, for the for the water through transportation. So that geometric plan, there will be a geometric design, planning, traffic operations of routes, that all parts will become under this traffic engineer, that transportation engineering having the main phase. After that, it focuses mainly on the research and the constructions of the infrastructure necessary for safe and the efficient traffic flow, such as road geometry, sidewalk, and the crosswalk, segregated cycle facilities, shared lane, marking, traffic signs, road surface marking, and the traffic lights. Okay, so while designing or the planning of the road, these all the parameters related to this marking on the road, sidewalk, again road geometry, again facilities for the those people are walking on the road, again facilities for the cycle persons, again there are the marking that are the indications about on the roads, traffic signs, again road surface marking and the traffic lights. These all are the parameters are very important while designing, while the planning for the different types of the roads. So that plan should be over here getting to account about the traffic engineering, and mainly that research related contribution is come towards the traffic engineering in the field of transportation engineering about to achieving the safe and convenient or the efficient traffic flow on the road. So what is meant by this efficient traffic flow is nothing but that minimum accident should be on the road. Okay, road users should feel good while moving from one place to the another place. So such a function, such a property should be achieved while using the roads. So that is nothing but a mainly focus about the traffic engineering. Okay.